Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92. The first option is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at the right side on the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right to this port. Now the most important is that you see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to the charging case. And again we see this blinking LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your charging case, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can connect to another device with USB-A port. And we see this LED light, so it also charging your earbuds. And now this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. And this one is the only one how to charge. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!